Hello there. In this video, I'll guide you on how to easily connect your Facebook page to your GoDaddy website. This straightforward process is essential for anyone looking to boost their online presence by integrating social media with their website seamlessly. Let's get started. First, navigate to the GoDaddy website. In the top right corner, click on the Sign In option and enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard, which serves as the control center for all your GoDaddy products and services. From the dashboard, go to the My Products section, where you can see all your domains, hosting plans, and other products linked to your GoDaddy account. Locate the domain or website you wish to connect with your Facebook page and click on it to access more details. Now, in the management view of your specific website, find and select the Marketing tab on the left-hand menu. Under the Marketing options, there's a subsection labeled Social. Clicking here will direct you to a space dedicated to managing the social media accounts linked to your website. This next step is vital. You'll find an option to manage your social platforms all in one place. Click on the Connect button next to the Facebook icon. An authorization window will appear, where you need to grant GoDaddy permissions to access your Facebook business page. If you're not logged into Facebook, you'll be prompted to do so. Ensure you authorize the necessary permissions to enable seamless integration between your website and Facebook page. Follow the on-screen instructions to allow GoDaddy access to manage aspects of your Facebook page, such as posting, managing ads, and viewing insights. These permissions are crucial for full functionality, so be sure to approve them. Once permissions are granted, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your Facebook page is now successfully connected to your GoDaddy site. This connection simplifies social sharing and management, allowing you to effortlessly manage your online presence through one unified platform, thereby enhancing your brand's visibility and potential reach. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your online platforms.